My name is Brittany Mang, and the speech that I am doing is The Dangers of Smoking. Did you know that in the United States, 87% of lung cancer deaths come from smokers? That's not all. The risk of developing lung cancer is 23 times higher among smokers when compared with non-smokers. I have studied the effects of smoking through courses that I have taken at BYU, Idaho, and I have also helped to organize and implement programs that help individuals to stop smoking. I have learned that, among other negative effects, smoking is extremely harmful to your health and to your body. In this speech, I'm going to tell you about the different risks an individual pose on themselves when they smoke cigarettes. This includes lung cancer, tooth decay, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, premature aging of skin, hair loss, and many other things. First, let's start by defining what smoking tobacco includes. According to PubMed, the definition of smoking is the inhalation of smoke-burned tobacco that may occur occasionally or habitually as a consequence of physical addiction to some chemicals. There have been many changes throughout the last decade when it comes to smoking tobacco. The amount of smokers is decreasing, but there are still so many risks that have been overlooked. Tobacco use is the leading preventable cause of death in the United States. Deaths have come from different forms of cancer and heart issues. Lung cancer is one of the biggest risks of smoking. It is estimated that 163,000 individuals die from lung cancer annually. There are also many other forms of cancer that are a result from smoking. This includes reproductive cancers. Cardiovascular diseases, metabolic diseases, and respiratory disease all come at a higher risk from smoking. Smoking isn't just harmful for the individual partaking in the activity, it is also harmful and dangerous and puts others at risk. Smoking during pregnancy is one of the biggest issues that we have among smokers. Smoking during pregnancy puts the unborn child at risk for coming too early or having a low birth rate. Smoking also puts the fetus at a higher risk of sudden infant death syndrome. This also includes smoking while the child is born, just secondhand smoking. Secondhand smoking also puts an individual at risk for getting cancer. There is no risk-free level of exposure to secondhand smoke. Small amounts can increase risk of heart attacks and other health conditions. So we know that there are huge risks that come from tobacco use, but there are also smaller risks that should turn us away from smoking. One of the biggest things that people notice about someone when using tobacco is their foul breath and tooth decay. According to Main Street Smiles, smokers are twice as likely to have tooth loss. Smoking stains teeth, and it puts people at higher risk for gum disease. Foul breath is a big negative that comes from the use of tobacco. Most people quickly notice when a smoker has entered the room because of the smell of the smoke or when somebody is talking to you. But there is even more. Think about your appearance now. Aside from tobacco changing the appearance of your smile, it also has effects on your skin and hair. The smoke from cigarettes contain carbon monoxide, which displaces the oxygen in your skin. Nicotine reduces the blood flow, which can leave skin dry and even change the color of your skin. Smoking can cause your hair to thin. Smoking can also cause your hair to lose color, and smoking can cause hair loss. So not only is there huge dangerous side effects from smoking, there are also things that are just going to simply change your appearance by picking up a cigarette. As a society, we have created this monster. Tobacco use is hurting and causing death among individuals, among children, and it's even harmful to unborn babies. Along with all of that, it is causing our very appearance to change. We have been able to watch tobacco use as it has destroyed the lives of loved ones and maybe even our own lives. The question that I would ask each of you is, how can you help put a stop to the use of tobacco?